This video will cover the instructions and requirements for your presentation project. Remember, your presentation is about how to soar, how to be safe, optimistic, accountable, and respectful using technology, and what you learn playing Digital Passport. To meet the requirements, let's look at the rubric. You're going to need the following: 6 slides total. The first slide should include a title, names of all team members, and an image that relates to the presentation topic. So remember your image. If it's about passwords, if your topic or your slideshow is about passwords, it shouldn't be a picture of a kitten. Even though it could be fuzzy and cute, it really doesn't relate to your topic. It should have something to do with passwords or staying safe. So something more appropriate might be a lock or a key or something from Digital Passport. You'll need 4 information slides. 1 for safe, 1 for optimistic, 1 for accountable, and 1 for respectful. And remember, you're going to put information on each topic about how to do that with technology. So for example, if it's respectful, how do you use technology respectfully? If you're working in a team of 4, a really good way to divide up the work is to assign a slide to each person. So one person could do safe, one person could do optimistic, one person could do accountable, one person could do respectful. And a good way to keep that organized then is down in the notes, put the name of the person who will be working on that slide. Again, on each of these slides, you'll need to have an image that relates to the topic. So if you're doing the respectful slide, it might have to do with your tip and maybe how you're posting something online. So maybe your image is going to be of something being posted online, or maybe it's going to look more about respectful and you're going to look for an image of respect. The last slide that you'll need is your sources slide. Here you're going to include a link to Digital Passport and also a link to your image sources. If you want to move up to an E, you can do a couple of things. You could add an additional slide where it might be a summary or big idea, your closing thoughts or advice about digital citizenship. Another option would be to include more than one website. So we've used Digital Passport. In Google Classroom, I have posted other websites that you could go explore and find information to include for your advice or tips about being safe, optimistic, accountable, or respectful. Another way to move yourself up to an E would be to use different types of images in your presentation. I know how you know how to go in and do a Google search for images, but another option would be using clip art or screenshots. I've included videos in Classroom on how to use iClipArt from iowaAEAonline.org and also how to take screenshots on your Mac. So you could add those 2 types of images also. Another thing is making sure that the images actually add meaning would be a way to bring it up to an E. So instead of maybe just being related, maybe those images will help understand what you're saying with the information on your slide. So kind of extending that meaning. Exemplary would also be on your sources page, including all sources. So all of your additional websites are on there. All of your additional images are on there also. Have fun working on this project.